you don't really know what you're going to get, but you usually get something that's quite interesting. These are whooshes, like loads and loads of whooshes, to produce another whoosh preset that you then interact with in this way. What happens if I just take this whole folder? Oh my god, there's hundreds of them. Well, that was good. That was kind of cool.
So is this pulling from all 72 samples at once?
So each pin represents a different segment of all the sounds that you put in. So these ones will be the louder segments, and these will be the medium ones, and these will be the quiet ones. So it's just picking different segments of all those 72 sounds. If you get a healthy pin board, it should sound pretty good. So with this technique, I would recommend just get a bunch of cool sounds and throw them in and see what you get.